Welcome back to Upcoming Smartphones Hub. Today, we have an absolute powerhouse in our hands, the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G 2026, a phone that truly takes the flagship experience to a whole new level. From the moment you hold it, you can feel the premium quality. Its sleek, edge-to-edge AMOLED display and reflective glass back give it a futuristic, elegant look. Despite its large display, it feels surprisingly light and comfortable in the hand, and with multiple stunning color options, it's a device that looks as good as it performs. The 6.9-inch QHD Plus AMOLED panel is nothing short of breathtaking. Colors are vibrant and accurate, blacks are deep, and brightness is high enough to comfortably use the phone even under direct sunlight. The 144Hz refresh rate makes scrolling, gaming, and video streaming incredibly smooth. Watching content on this screen, whether it's Netflix, YouTube, or high-end mobile games, is a visual treat. Under the hood, the Nokia Royal Ultra 5G is powered by the latest